Hello friends. Welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to customize the WordPress login page. Be with me and you will know to customize the full WordPress login page. Let's get started. Now log in to your site. This is your dashboard. Navigate to the plugin and click on Add New. Go to the search bar and search LoginPress. Install the plugin. After installation, click on Activate. After activation, the plugin has come in the Plugins section. For further process, click on Customize. You will see lots of options that will help you to customize the login page. The first option is to change the theme, but you can change it after buying the premium only. You can change the logo appearing on the login form from here. If you don't want to show your logo, you can disable it from this option. To choose your logo, click on Select Image. Now choose the logo. You can adjust the width, height, and space from these options. This option will help you to customize the background of the login page. You can put any color in the background, or you can put its pre-made designs. You can put a custom image with this option. You can also put a video in the background. Now go to Customize Login Form. It will help you to customize the appearance of the login form. You can make the login form transparent with this option. Alike the page background, you can put the background image or any color in the login form also. These options will help you to adjust the dimension of the login page. You can customize the input field too. You can customize the input field background color and text color. These options will help you to customize the input field label color. Here you can change the Remember Me text color. And at last, these options will let you customize the size of the text. You can customize the Forget form also. Forget form appears when you click on Lost Your Password link to recover your password. To put reCAPTCHA verification on the site, you have to buy the premium. Now go to Button Beauty to customize the buttons. Here you can change the color of the button and border, and the same for the hover effect. This section will help you to adjust the button size, padding, radius, shadow opacity, and text size. You can also customize the error messages. Here you can put a welcome and logout message. Form footer will help you to customize the footer of the login page. In this section, you can customize the text and its decoration of the Lost Your Password text. You can do the same for Back to text. You can enable the copyright note and the plugin link from here. And this is the Google Fonts section. You can access this by purchasing the premium version. In this section, you can customize the CSS and JS. After all customization, save the changes. Now open the login page. You can see all the changes are published. If you liked the video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.